I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny, Krakow. Okay, time to run.
What's going on?
Sounds like Jane Fitzgerald pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny in Krakow. Come on, Leon Scott Kennedy, let's get out of here.
Okay, Jade. Hi, Jane Fitzgerald. How was your day going?
It's great.
Let's watch the news.
News.
Jane Fitzgerald. I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny, Krakow. That's it. You are grounded for 952 months. Go to your room right now.
Put me down or I'll scream!